Good morning, you guys. Happy second day of Vlogtober. This is the outfit, and I'll show you guys in the mirror what the outfit looked like, because this is the outfit. But I'll show you guys in the beginning of the clip. I showed you guys just the actual dress. However, it's a little chilly outside, and it's a little chilly, and it's a little and the dress is just a tad bit, a little too short for church. However, I could still play it off with a blazer and some heels or whatever, and it still come off very, very elegant and very professional. However, you guys, it is chilly outside. So let me show you guys the outfit. I'm really loving the outfit. I wish I had more stone necklaces in my collection, which I'm gonna actually invest in getting some more stone necklaces. You guys, this is the actual bracelet situation I got going on today, and I really, really like it. It's a, if I can get it to flip around. I don't know why I stuck my hand. Okay. I was just trying to show y'all. There is the Razorback pig suey. Pig suey. Anyway, anyway, this is the outfit, and I'm gonna actually flip my camera around so you guys can see the outfit. Okay, here is the actual outfit that I have on. I have on these brown, what do you call it? Sandals. I have these black pants on, which I got from Torrid, which I love these. These are Torrid leggings. They are really, when I tell y'all, they are really thick leggings that you can actually wear to work with a long sweater. However, at my job, I can't wear them because, you know, I ain't even finna, certain people that don't have hippie bodies, and we ain't gonna say they got hippie bodies, they don't like to be seeing another group of people with big backsides and hips. So they have a thing with leggings. So, yeah. That's really what the bottom line is. People try to control you and tell you what to wear on the job. I think leggings can be worn at a job if they're worn correctly and they're tasteful than being tasteless. So, yeah. So this is the outfit, you guys. Tell me what you think. I'm not really liking I don't really like my arms out. And let me show you guys. I don't really like my arms out like this, but it's okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back from church. I'm going to actually make, let's come over here. It's a little dark. Turn on the light here. We're going to use my yellow lighting. Yes, we are. I'm going to make some chili. This is the chili 4-star chili brick that I will be using. Here is the meat of choice. We are gonna have some, let's see if I can, we're gonna have some ground bison. So that is gonna be a portion of it. And I don't need a red onion right now. I've chopped up my bell pepper and onion base in here, as you can see. We'll be using all of that. I have a garlic clove. I'll be excuse me. I'll be using a little bit of grapeseed oil for my, I guess, a little bit of the, just, you know, just to let the veggies cook down a little bit to add flavor to the pot. And then it will be the traditional salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of sugar, very minimal. That's just to cut the acid in the potato base, excuse me, tomato base. And I'll be doing that a little later. So right now, nothing major going on. we did, after I went to church, this is my lunch pail, you guys. After church, we went to Pink. So we could do a Pink haul in this Vlogmas, and I'll just call it Sunday church and Pink haul, because I just purchased 10 pair of panties, and I bought 2 bras that was there, and I know my husband would appreciate if I bought a couple of new pairs of bras. So that's pretty much. Also, I guess I could do, which I don't want to do, but I guess we could, I don't know, because I want to upload this video before 12, because I did upload a video. It didn't upload until like 30 minutes, 40 minutes outside of the 12 o'clock hour of last night, because you guys know I got back from Branson at 10:30 last night, and I came home and all I did was try to upload and make my phone render the content. So, and it took a minute. So yeah, there is a Vlogtober day 1 already up. So I hope you guys watch that one and then come back and watch the Vlogtober day 2. So yes, I'll see you guys in a little bit.